Archaeologists have discovered walls constructed out of human bones and shattered skulls while working in a cathedral in Belgium. Workers at St. Bavo's Cathedral in Ghent, northwest Belgium, were preparing to build a new visitors center when the macabre discovery was made. According to the Brussels Times, the walls are largely constructed from stacked adult human thigh and shin bones, with a number of shattered skulls filling spaces between the walls. Project leader Jean de Gries said the bones would be removed and would not become a tourist attraction. For the moment we would place the actual construction in the 17th and 18th century, although there's a great deal of research still to be done, he said. The archaeologists believe the bones were taken from the graveyard outside the church while it was being cleared. Mr. de Gries said, when clearing a churchyard, the skeletons cannot just be thrown away. Given that the faithful believed in a resurrection of the body, the bones were considered the most important part. That is why stone houses were sometimes built against the walls of city graveyards, to house skulls and the long bones in what is called an ossuary or a bone house. A newsletter from archaeology team Ruben Willert explained that only thigh and shin bones and skulls were found in the walls because those tasked with clearing the graveyard were likely too hurried to collect smaller bones. When clearing graves, people often hurried and did not bother collecting smaller or fragile bones such as vertebrae, ribs, bones from hands and feet. So a selection of skulls and long bones emerged.